Hello, Chester Elementary School students. I hope you all are monitoring your time spent in front of a screen and working hard to improve your posture. I'd like to share with you one last healthy habit about your at-home work environment during distance learning. In future weeks, we'll focus on other types of healthy habits. In order for me to think clearly and do my best work, I need to have a well-organized workspace.
We've been distance learning for a few weeks now, and I'm guessing that many of you are starting to collect quite a bit of extra things or unnecessary doodads in your workspace. Those extra things could lead to a subtle bit of tension or feelings of being overwhelmed, which interfere with your ability to do your best work. There are many ways to organize your space, and the way you do it is your choice. When determining how you want to organize your workspace, be thoughtful of what it is that is helping you and what it is that is getting in your way. Problem solve for the areas that aren't functioning well. There are many creative ways to store supplies. You can even just label paper bags. Having too much of something or not enough of another thing can get frustrating. But even more frustrating is not being able to find something you need. Binders, clips, and folders, even electronic file folders, are great tools to help us keep track of important documents. And last but not least, I find it is very helpful to keep a to-do list nearby and maybe add tasks to your calendar.
Make it a habit to check your workspace each time after you're finished working. It takes just a few moments to tidy up if you do it daily. And every so often, you'll want to do a deeper cleaning and consider making improvements to your arrangements. I encourage you to organize your workspace today to optimize your productivity.